first mark falls like morning light, a single breath across the white, blue like water finding ground. One simple curve, no turning round. Each stroke becomes the next one's guide. The paper holds what's deep inside. Trust the line you're drawing now. It knows the way, it shows you how. One line builds upon another. Every mark discovers something that was always there, waiting in the empty air. Let the pen become your teacher, every stroke a gentle preacher of the truth that's coming through. One line at a time. Now purple lines begin to trace, each pattern finding its own space. And red appears in careful rows, a rhythm only stillness knows. Each color claims its sacred ground, distinct and true, deliberately found. Together standing side by side, in their own beauty dignified. One line builds upon another. Every mark discovers something that was always there, waiting in the empty air. Let the pen become your teacher, every stroke a gentle preacher of the truth that's coming through. One line at a time. One line at a time. Then green arrives like quiet rain to soften what was stark and plain. The color of the growing things, the hope that every new line brings. And now you see the whole design was there within the very first line. One line at a time. One line at a time.